the pantry. I've been running around all day trying to get supplies for it, but I'm finally ready to start building. So. All right, so Tia and Ben, my brother and sister-in-law, who own this place, have been, they painted the walls. These were all used to be gray, and then we painted them an ultra stark white. I am going to work on taking off this baseboard, and then we're gonna do a Sharpie wall. Very first thing before I start building, so that I don't have to work around any special fancy stuff. All right, you guys, this is really exciting. So I got my idea for this wall from my friend Shannon. She has the cutest bathroom. You have to go look at it. But I am going to be doing just the section, so I'm not gonna worry about where my countertops are gonna be or where my appliance cabinet's gonna be. I'm just gonna do like that much of the wall. And so I'm gonna start by measuring out where things are going to be, and then I'll go from there. Okay, so let me explain to you. I figured out a way to do it so that it's super quick. What I am doing is I have a measuring tape on the other side of that level, or you can use, like Shannon used, a yardstick on top of a regular level. So I measured 6 inches down and then 3 inches off the wall. And then this one is, oh man, dang it. Oops. This one is 6 inches off the wall. That one's 3, that one's 6. And so that's kind of what started my first one. So I took 6-inch measurements and I made a mark like this, where it's, you know, comes down. So first of all, so it can pinpoint exactly where I need it to. And then secondly, there's my mark. I've gone over this angle from here, but now I don't need to go back and measure. So I just did all of these lines all the way down, and I used a long level. So I'm using a level so that I can make sure I get my pinpoints exactly horizontal. And then a long level for the long lengths. But now I don't have to go back and re-measure where that 6-inch mark was. I can just come and find, you know, my other marks. There's the other one right there. And I can, well, there's one of them. And then I know where to angle. There's one right there. Then I know where to angle my my level for the next one. So once you get all of these down, the next rows going this way are super quick. So really, you only need to measure 2 points or 3. I did 3 rows so that you can get your lines. You can only need to do 3 all the way across, and then the rest of it is pretty much done, because I don't even have to measure down here because I can just continue following the lines that I've already got.